In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to Jira Default User Preferences and the System Dashboard. We will start by opening Jira. Once you are on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, from that menu. Select System. This will take you into the Administrative Settings area where you can manage global Jira options. After that, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find the User Interface section. In this section, select Default User Preferences. This opens the page where Jira's default user settings are managed. These are the preferences that can affect how the platform behaves by default for users. So this is a useful place to review if you want a more consistent experience across your Jira environment. On the Default User Preferences page, click the Edit Default Values button. This opens the configuration window where you can make your changes. Here, you can update the email notification format, which controls how notifications are presented to users. You can also adjust the number of work items shown, per Pascal G, which can help improve visibility depending on how much information users typically need to see at once. You will also see options related to dashboard access, where you can define whether the default dashboard is private or public. In addition, you can check or uncheck the auto watch behavior, depending on whether you want Jira to automatically watch items based on user activity. Once you've updated the settings you want, click Update to save your changes. Be sure to review everything before saving so the defaults match your team's preferred setup. Now let's look at the System Dashboard. The System Dashboard is the default landing page for users who log into Jira and have not created their own personal dashboards. This means it's often the first thing new or inactive dashboard users will see. So keeping it clear and relevant is important. While still in the system settings, go back to the left side panel and again locate the User Interface section. Select System or Default Dashboard to open the Dashboard Configuration page. From here, you can reconfigure the default view in a few ways. You can reorder gadgets by dragging and dropping them into the positions you want. You can also customize the contents by deleting information that isn't useful and selecting Add Gadget to include helpful items, such as Assign to Me or Sprint Health. If needed, you can also change the layout of the page, for example by switching to a multi-column view to organize information more effectively. That's how to update Jira default user preferences and customize the system dashboard. Thanks for watching.